We are here at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott. Here's Daytona Beach, Florida, right near the Motor Speedway. Guess what? We got some more KONEs. Everybody's favorite brand, especially in Florida.
Going down.
This is another hotel in this Daytona, I think, 1 complex, which is kind of across the street from the Daytona Motor Speedway.
First floor.
Hey, what a ThyssenKrupp is actually maintaining this, because look at that. Yes, and yes, we're going up. Very basic cab design. It's a tin can. Test it. Okay, not tin can.
Going down.
MRL cabinet. There's me in the mirror. Hi, with the bucket shirt. Not very responsive. And yes, we're going down. MRL cabinet. Yeah, another tin can. Cab. Let's go down one. ThyssenKrupp Oracle phone button. I don't know why this one not in talk. Elevator 1. Floor 1. Going up. And there goes the elevator. I guess that is going to be it for me.